I'd love to say I have some really gripping news about these Gorilla Grip 100% BPA-free flexible cutting boards, but that would be overdramatic because we're talking about cutting boards here. So the truth of the matter is, though, these are really grippy, and that's something that I haven't found in other flexible cutting boards I've tried. Not only that, but you can put these in the dishwasher and they remain slip resistant. I love that they come in different sizes and colors, and the cute little food icons make it easy to separate the types of foods that you're using each cutting board for. I'll be honest and say I ignore those icons. I think washing them in the dishwasher does get them clean because these are also really resistant to any scratches. They're a high quality, yet still flexible cutting board that get the job done really nicely without taking up a lot of space in your cabinets. I don't think you can go wrong with this set of 5 plastic mats from Gorilla Grip.